Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's move to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. From here let's go to the left side to the settings button to open the advanced camera options. Now let's slide a little bit down to the general settings category, and here at the second place we have save location info option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using the button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to remember to turn on the location of this device. So these two parameters, the location and the internet, are necessary to use this correctly. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera to take the picture. To see the photo, let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. Let's tap on the center to get access to the gallery options, and now let's go to the right corner at the bottom to more. Here we have to tap to the details, and at the last position we have the location with the full address, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. Also when we tap on it, we get quick access to the map and we can check our location at the Google Maps. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.